Ever wondered how you could own a home with zero down payment? Welcome to the world of USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgages. This is a unique home loan program backed by the United States Department of Agriculture, or USDA. It's designed to help eligible individuals, particularly those with moderate to low income, purchase homes in rural and some suburban areas. Imagine having the opportunity to own a home without needing to save up for a hefty down payment. Yes, with this program, it's possible to acquire a mortgage that finances the full purchase price of a home. It's a chance for many to make their dream of homeownership a reality. So if you're looking to settle down in a peaceful rural or suburban community, this program could be your ticket to a new home. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into this unique home financing option. So, how exactly does a USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage work? Well, let's break it down. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, or USDA for short, has a program designed to promote homeownership in less densely populated or rural areas of the country. It's a part of their mission to boost economic activity and improve the quality of life in these regions. You see, traditionally, mortgages require a down payment. This can be a significant hurdle for many potential homeowners. But with the USDA guaranteed mortgage, the picture looks a bit different. This program offers 100% financing, which means eligible buyers don't need to put any money down at all. Yes, you heard that right, zero down payment. Now, you might be wondering, how can they do that? The answer lies in the word guaranteed. The USDA guarantees the loan, meaning they promise to pay the lender if a borrower defaults. This guarantee gives lenders the confidence to offer zero down financing. It's a win-win situation. Homebuyers get their home with no down payment, and lenders have the assurance of the USDA's guarantee. This type of mortgage isn't just about the lack of a down payment, though. The interest rates are typically lower than conventional mortgages, and there's flexibility with credit scores too. This means it could be easier to qualify for a USDA loan than other types of mortgages. What's more, the loan can be used for new or existing properties and even for repairs and improvements. So if you've been dreaming of owning a home, but the down payment has been a stumbling block, a USDA guaranteed mortgage might just be the solution you've been looking for. One thing to note is that this program is location-specific. It's designed for rural and some suburban areas with the goal of encouraging growth and development in these regions. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? But who is eligible for this program? Stay tuned to find out more. Not everyone can qualify for a USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage, so who does? Well, let's dive into the main eligibility requirements. First and foremost, there are income limits to consider. To be eligible for a USDA loan, your income should not exceed the median income for your area by more than 15%. This percentage may vary, though, so it's always recommended to check the USDA's official website for the most accurate information. Next, we have the credit score requirement. For a USDA loan, it's generally accepted that a minimum score of 640 is needed. However, don't despair if your score is a bit lower. Some lenders may consider other compensating factors, such as a stable employment history or low debt-to-income ratio. Now on to property location. This is an integral part of the USDA loan eligibility criteria. USDA loans are primarily designed to help low to moderate income families purchase homes in rural areas. So your desired property must be located in an area deemed eligible by the USDA. This doesn't necessarily mean it has to be in the middle of nowhere, though. Many small towns and suburbs of metropolitan areas qualify too. Lastly, there are occupancy requirements. The home purchased with a USDA loan must be your primary residence. This means you can't use a USDA loan to purchase an investment property or a vacation home. So to sum up, to be eligible for a USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage, you need to meet certain income limits, have a credit score typically of 640 or above, be looking to buy a property in a USDA eligible area, and plan to use that home as your primary residence. Remember, these are general guidelines and the exact requirements can vary. Always consult with a loan professional or the USDA directly to understand your personal situation. Now that we know who qualifies, what kind of properties can be purchased with this loan? It's not just about who you are, but also where the property is. This statement rings especially true when it comes to property eligibility for a USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage. To qualify for this loan, the property must meet certain criteria. First and foremost, the property must be located in an eligible rural or some suburban areas as defined by the USDA. The USDA typically defines rural as towns or cities with a population of less than 50,000 residents. But don't let the term rural fool you. Many suburban areas around larger cities also qualify. Now let's discuss the types of properties that qualify for this loan. The property in question must be a primary residence. This means vacation homes or investment properties are not eligible. The property must also be a single-family dwelling. But again, don't let the term single-family mislead you. This category includes a wide variety of housing types, including manufactured homes, condos, and townhouses. The property must also meet certain health and safety standards. This means it should have functional plumbing, electricity, and heating. It should be structurally sound and free of hazardous materials. The property must also have adequate and safe access to a street or road. It's important to note that certain types of properties are not eligible for a USDA guaranteed loan. These include properties that are used for income-producing purposes, such as a working farm. Additionally, properties that have in-ground swimming pools or that are designed for commercial activities are also not eligible. In summary, for a property to be eligible for a USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage, it must be a primary, single-family residence in an eligible rural or some suburban area. It must meet health and safety standards, and it cannot be used for income-producing purposes. Remember, the USDA's goal with these loans is to encourage homeownership in less densely populated areas of the country and to provide affordable housing options for those who might not otherwise be able to secure a home loan. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of this type of mortgage. So, why should you consider a USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage? Let's dive into the key benefits that make this option so attractive to many home buyers. One of the most significant advantages is the absence of a down payment. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike conventional mortgages, which typically require a down payment of 20%, the USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage requires zero down payment. This can make the dream of homeownership a reality for many who might not have a large amount of savings set aside. Another appealing aspect of this type of mortgage is its low interest rates. As these loans are backed by the United States Department of Agriculture, lenders can offer interest rates that are competitive, often lower than those of traditional mortgages. Lower interest rates mean lower monthly payments, making homeownership more affordable over the long term. But the benefits don't stop there. The USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage also allows for the possibility of financing closing costs. Closing costs are the fees and expenses that come at the end of a real estate transaction, and they can add up. With this type of mortgage, these costs can be rolled into the total loan amount, reducing the upfront cash needed at closing. And let's not forget the flexibility this mortgage offers. It can be used to purchase new builds, existing homes, manufactured homes, and even to repair or renovate a property. This wide range of options makes the USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage an attractive choice for many potential homeowners. As you can see, the USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage comes with a host of benefits that can make homeownership more accessible. It eliminates the need for a down payment, offers low interest rates, allows for the financing of closing costs, and provides flexibility in the type of property you can purchase. But remember, while these benefits are enticing, this type of mortgage is not without its drawbacks. It's important to weigh the pros and cons to determine if this is the right mortgage option for you. Like any financial decision, there are downsides to consider. With a USDA guaranteed 100% financed mortgage, one such drawback is limited property choices. The USDA loans are specifically designed to boost rural development, so they are restricted to certain areas. Your dream home in the bustling city might not qualify. Another potential downside is the income cap. Each county has a different income limit, and you need to fall below this limit to qualify. It's designed to help households of modest means, so if your income is high, you may not be eligible. Let's summarize. The USDA Guaranteed 100% Financed Mortgage is a fantastic option for eligible homebuyers. It offers zero down payment, competitive interest rates, and flexible credit guidelines. But remember, it's restricted to certain rural and suburban areas, and there are income limitations. The USDA Guaranteed 100% Financed Mortgage could be a game changer for eligible homebuyers. Is it the right option for you? Only you can make that decision.